Morning everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. As you can hear, it's just been wet and soggy. We've had another storm again, so I just come down. I had a few things in the car to drop off, some sand and stuff, so I thought I'll just drop this off. I had to go and buy another couple of bags. Then I had to come and see what's going on in the polytunnel. Just give these things a quick water before I go. Not a lot I can do today because it's so wet. So thought I was coming down anyway, so I said, well, I just have to give these things a quick watering, and what I planned to do today I couldn't get to do. I've had another storm overnight. It's still quite wet and breezy outside. But in the polytunnel now, you know, it's another story. Just have to give everything a bit of sprinkling over. Just testing the soil in there. These are still wet, so I'm not going to water those again. These is where I planted some new seeds, so give that a water in again, just to keep the seeds moist. If you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. When it's this kind of weather, that's all you can do is just, if you've got a polytunnel, you can just water. All these are going to be coming out soon. As you can see outside in the with the Romanisco, I've got to take all those out as well. And then I'll get these 4 beds ready for planting again. So I've got these 3 beds here to do, and I'm going to take everything out of it, all these fennels and everything, and get that bed sorted out. But like how the weather's like this now, I wanted to like take everything out, get in there swept out and everything, but it's so wet and muddy out there, you can't really do nothing. Alright, let me just go out a bit. You can hear how waterlogged it is. Just checking up the top here. Every time I come, I always make sure I check on my plants and that. I don't know if that's something pulling that one out or what, but always just have a quick look any weeds and everything, I pull those out when it gets a bit drier. I checked up the top there when I was coming in. There isn't no manure there neither, so I don't know what they're doing. I've got all this area here to sort out as well, because I need to I don't know whether to put down, scrape it back and put down any weed netting, and then put my potato buckets out here and everything. So that's what's going on. It's we've had two storms, Éowyn, and then I don't know what they're calling this one. I think they said it's a Spanish one or something. So we're just getting that, and it's a bit too windy as well, although you see it, but the wind is blowing quite strong as well. So I'm going to get this other bag, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've done all what I can do down here. You can see the sun's decided to come out now, but it's so wet and boggy that you can't really do nothing. So just dropped off a few things, gave those plants a quick water till Friday. I know we're going to have wet all week, so if you don't see no video come out on Friday, just bear with us, because it's just down to the weather at the moment. Everything is just weather permitting at the moment. I know it might look like we've got a lot of things to do, but all it is really now is just tidying up. That's all it's down to. Just getting everything sorted out and put into place, and then we're good to go. Get some of these pots and that emptied out and then we're good to go. So that's all we can do. So hope you have a great rest of the week. If you don't see us on Friday, bear with us. We should be back on Monday, and that's all down to the weather again. So you take care of yourself. Like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. Leave comments in the comment section and we'll get back to you. You take care until then.